Let's test for cations. Sodium hydroxide, few drops, green precipitate is forming. This could be either chromium ions or iron 2 ions. Excess sodium hydroxide, the precipitate dissolves. Then this cation is chromium. Few drops of sodium hydroxide. As you can see, green precipitate is forming. With excess sodium hydroxide, the green precipitate stays the same. Notice the difference between a soluble solution and a solution that contains precipitate. Few drops of sodium hydroxide. Blue precipitate is forming. Excess sodium hydroxide, the blue precipitate stays the same. As long as the solution is colorful, it contains transition metal ion. Few drops of sodium hydroxide, reddish brown precipitate is forming. With excess sodium hydroxide, the precipitate stays the same. This solution does not contain transition metal cation. Let's try it with few drops of sodium hydroxide. With the dark background, it will be more visible. Few drops. White precipitate is forming. With excess sodium hydroxide, the white precipitate dissolves. It means this could be zinc ions or aluminum ions. We're going to need aqueous ammonia to decide. Here's the aqueous ammonia. With few drops of aqueous ammonia, white precipitate is forming. White solid is forming. With excess aqueous ammonia, the white solid stays the same. This proves that this solution contains aluminum ions. Let's add excess aqueous ammonia to the blue precipitate of copper ions. The precipitate dissolves, giving dark blue solution.